Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to change the door stopper, this part, so that the back door can open more. And this is a major issue with 2017, 2018, 2019 Ridgeline Hondas. For some reason, they just put those door stoppers that just don't open enough. So I did the other side. I'll show you how wide it opens, and then I'll show you how to do it. All right, so this is the difference in how much it opens, and you can see the door in the back, how much it opens and how much this one opens. Now you would think that's not a big difference, but trust me, it's a huge difference. All right, so first thing, you need to have the part to be replaced. So I will post the part numbers, links in the description and the pinned comment so you can get them. You'll need a pick. A 90-degree pick is the best. I'll leave a link for a good set in the description, and you need a Phillips and also a small socket wrench set. All right, so let's get started. All right, so first step is to remove the cover for the bolt. So you got one cover here and you got one cover here, and all you need to do is pick it and take it out. This one I think is easier with a little flat screwdriver, but the 90-degree pick is good. And then this one is very easy with a 90-degree pick. Okay, 1, 2. Oops, 1, 2. And it comes out. Okay, there you go. So you got Phillips here, 2 Phillips here, and the whole thing comes out. You can remove the entire card and put it aside. That's what I'll do, but you can also ask somebody to hold it for you for like 5 minutes while you fish this out and take it out. Okay, so let me mount the camera and we'll continue. So now we'll remove these screws. This is pretty much the tricky part. I don't know if it's tricky, but you have to know what you're doing here. So let me mount it in a little different location. Okay, so we need to remove this card. There's nothing really now that's holding it, only clips. So there's some areas here where you have access, especially on the farther side, okay, on this side. And what you do is you need to yank it, okay? So in a nice, sharp movement, okay? Okay, sharp movement, the whole thing comes out. Now it's basically sitting on this rail. Okay, so now I'll show you how I remove the entire card. Basically now you can just lift it out and remove it. Now, in the back here, there's this little clip. You can remove it. Okay, and then there's another clip, electrical clip, that you can remove too. Okay, just like that, and somehow I cut myself. Okay, and then this one just comes out like that. Next, we have to basically detach the speaker. Here you see the speaker. Now the speaker is held only by one screw, and it's a Phillips. Okay, and the way that this speaker comes out is just from the top, yank it out and lift. Okay, there's clips on the side that just attach and go like that. Okay, so and then you could just let it dangle. This way you can access the hinge. Okay, so now it's pretty simple. There's 2 bolts here and 1 bolt here. You just need to get a ratchet and unscrew those. Okay, now you will need a Loctite, medium strength Loctite. I'll put a link in the description as well. proper bolts. Okay. One more thing, I would recommend opening the door, the front passenger door, the door that you're now working on, but in the front. And that's just in case the door swings. As soon as you disconnect this, the door can basically swing by itself. So that's why they call it a door stopper. These you can basically completely unscrew. Okay, put it in safe aside. And then we need a different socket for this bolt. Okay. As you can see, there's Loctite on this one. That's why it was a little hard to remove. So now you take your hand and you put it through the speaker hole and you fish the old stopper. Okay, same thing. Now we'll put the new stopper instead. So here's the new stopper. Take it out of the bag. Okay, so now fish it. Okay, got it in. All right, so I fished the new stopper. I put it here. And now you have to take some blue Loctite and put it on the screw. And there's really no alignment issues here. You just screw it in and that's it. Okay, that's one. I'll go ahead and put back the speaker. Okay. And this one uses Phillips. All right, so now we'll tighten up the main bolt here. Make sure that you don't cross thread. That would be a big problem on this one. And now the door can open more. So now let's put the card back. Now the door can open and close wider than before. You think doesn't make a difference, but it's a huge difference when you're trying to put boxes inside the back seat. All right, so all the tools, everything you need will be in the description and the pinned comment. If you like this video, please thumb up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.